Hello, kaya mwaswera bwanji tsiku la lero. Ndikulandireni ku phunziro lathu la sabata ino pamene tikufuna kupanga rules of logarithms. When a logarithmic equation involves more than one term containing the unknown, mostly you need to learn how to simplify such logarithmic equations. And to this end, you will look at the laws of logarithms, which are similar to the laws of indices. Kulupirira tinapanga ma laws of indices, tikamaphatikizira, tikamagawira, tikamachotsera, we need to understand kuti kodi chimachitika ndi chani. So mostly ma laws awa amafanana ndi ma laws of indices. So number one rule imachedwa kuti multiplication law. Law hii imanena kuti the logarithm of a product of two numbers is equal to sum of logarithms of each of the numbers. The first law states that the logarithm of a product of two numbers is equal to the sum of the logarithms of each of the numbers. Mene tayankhulirapo chimodzimodzi mene zalembedwerapo. Okay, so ntchito imene tikufuna kuonetsa apa ndionena kuti tinene kuti log base a of p multiplied by q. This one imayeneka kukhala chimodzimodzi nena log base a p plus log base a q chimodzimodzi ndito. So ntchito yathu yayikulu imene tigwire panopa ndiyo kuonetsa kuti zimenezi ndizolondola. So let's prove now. Proving. In this case, you have to let let's say let m to be equal to log log p base a. Then it's obvious that p is the same as to say is equal to a to the power m. Okay, when m is equal to that one, it's the same as to say p is equal to a to the power m. That is it. If we are to changing to exponential, changing to exponential equation. Okay, is it now? Go check the previous video about logarithmic and exponential equations. Okay, so let's move on. Then after that, we are also going to let we can also say let letter n to be equal to log base a then q. Okay, you can as well simplify this into exponential equation. You can say then it's obvious q should be equal to a to the power n. Okay, the same reason, changing to exponential equation, changing to exponential equation. Okay, so then we can as well say right. Okay, then we need to consider that PQ. Alright? We need to consider that. Okay? Then we can say that PQ is the same as to say Remember, q tabeza kuti ndi a to the power n, and p tabeza kuti ndi a to the power m. Okay, so if we substitute, it will be a to the power m, and then multiply a to the power n. Okay, that is it if you substitute p and if you substitute k for the values we found. Then if you look at this one and that one, mapeza ondofanana onse ni ma a. Okay, so if we consider my rows of my indices, nakamba kuti kumana ni ma rows of indices. Ma rows of indices tikakhala mabase ofanana ngati utayimusira mapowers amayeneka kutani kuphatikizirana. Okay, so here we can say therefore PQ is equal to A M plus N. Alright, reason, law of indices. Okay, that is the same base, you add powers. Then we can say okay, log A base, log PQ base A should be equal to M plus N. Yeah, so given this exponential equation, if you were to write it into a logarithmic equation, it's just like that. We had already shown that in the previous videos. Okay, so it will be log PQ base, that A should be equal to the power of that base. Alright, so that's that. So reaching this far, remember previously we said let n to be equal to log q base A. Okay, and we also say let m to be equal to log base A p, log p base A. Alright, so we are just going to substitute those ones into there. Therefore, we can say, remember, m is equal to log p base A. So let's put where there's m, log p base A, plus, and where there's n, let n is equal to log q base A. Okay, log q base A. Alright, so if you look at that, you find out that indeed, therefore, log base A, log PQ base A is the same as to say log P base A plus log Q base A. Alright, so that's how we show it. That's how we prove to say that if you are given log A and these ones are multiplied, you can as well write them in that manner. Or if you are given log P base A plus log Q base A, you can as well write them as shown there. Okay, so let's have an example. Example 1, solution. We are saying express the following as single logarithms. Okay, we have two logarithms there. We need to express it as one. So we are saying log 6 base 3 plus log 7 base 3. This one should be equal to log. Okay, in this case, these logs are adding. So we have shown that if they are adding, you just multiply those ones. So it will be 6 multiplied by 7. So 6 multiplied by 7, if you find that, you say which will give you 42. Okay, so it will be equal to log 42 base 3. Alright, let's look at that example. We are given that. Okay, so this one, example B, will be equal to log, okay, bracket 6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. All are of the same base. Okay, like that. So this one will be equal to log 6, 2 multiplied by, 6 multiplied by 2, that's 12. 12 multiplied by 3, that's 36. Okay, so reaching that far, that's how we solve those ones. Yeah, so thank you so much. I think for today we'll stop there. Let's meet again next time when we meet. Here we are trying to make our videos as short as possible so that people should be able to grasp the concepts in a single video without getting tired. So tikumaneso posachidwa mweba pamene tikhale ndi tibweretsenso lesson ina pa logarithmic and exponential equations. Sabata yopambana.